Hello everyone, Tina here. I hope you're having a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining me. Well, today I get to share with you a project for LDRS Creative. I'm using one of the brand new stamp sets that just came out with the May release. It's a Poolkadoodle stamp set. It's one of 4. And this is Holly. She is so sweet. The stamp set is called Just Breezing By. Cute little butterflies in there and cute little sentiments. So I thought we'd make a fun card using this today. So we're going to jump in. I'm going to bring in my Misty stamping tool and a piece of white cardstock, and then I'm going to place my images in the center of my panel, and then I'll ink them up with my Raven ink pad here. I'm going to ink it up a few times. Little Holly here is holding a pretty detailed little bird's nest. It's so adorable, and there's 3 little birdies peeking out. So cute. So I'm going to have to go over it a few times just to make sure I get a crisp impression. But I'm going to color in my image with my Copic markers. I left the caps out for you guys. And then I also, I'm going to play a little bit of music while I color. And then when I'm done coloring, I will get you back. Okay, coloring is just about, well, it was all done. Now I'm adding a little highlight with my white gel pen over my little Holly's dress and also to the butterfly wings. Now I'm going to be using one of the dies from the scallop border die set, and I'm going to create a scallop on the left and right of my panel, and then I'll also fussy cut out my little butterflies there. I'm going to flip over my panel and go ahead and add some foam tape behind it, and then this is going to give me a little added dimension on my card base. We'll just remove the release paper and add that to an A2 size card base. We're going to put it right down the center. And then after we have that adhered, we're going to add a few little butterflies. I'm just going to play with the placement where I want them to go, and I ended up putting 2 in the top left corner and then the larger blue one down on the bottom by our shoes. So I had 1 pink one left over. So I'm going to open up the card and we're going to tape that down on the inside of the card. Now for bells and whistles, I'm going to add some sparkle. I'm going to bring in some Nuvo glitter drops. This is White Blizzard. We're going to sparkle up our butterfly wings. And then after we have them all sparkled up, I'm going to take some Nuvo crystal drops in the Morning Dew, and I'm going to shiny up her shoes. And also, I'm going to add a little dimension to the birdies in the little nest that she's holding, just dotting their little faces. Nuvo Morning Dew drops act a lot like glossy accents, so if you have that, it would work the same way. But that's my project for today, guys, using one of the new releases from LDRS Creative called Just Breezing By. If you're interested, I'll leave links down below in the description area for you. Thanks so much for joining me. I wish you a fantastic day, and we will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.